What is an AI flashcard generator? Have you ever wished for a tool that could take your study materials and turn them into flashcards without you having to lift a finger? Well, that's exactly what an AI flashcard generator does. This digital tool uses artificial intelligence to automatically create flashcards from various types of study materials. These materials can be text documents, PDFs, lecture notes, images, audio files, videos, and presentations. When you upload your content, the AI processes it, identifies key concepts, definitions, and important details. It then transforms this information into structured flashcards designed to help with memorization and review. This means you can spend less time creating study aids and more time actually studying. Instead of manually writing each flashcard, you simply upload your study materials, and the AI quickly produces a deck of flashcards tailored to your content. This automation helps you focus on learning rather than preparing your study tools. The flashcards generated can come in various formats, such as question and answer, term definition, or fill in the blank. This variety allows you to select the style that best matches your learning preferences. Many AI flashcard generators also incorporate learning techniques like spaced repetition and active recall. These methods are proven to improve memory retention and exam readiness. Spaced repetition schedules flashcard reviews at optimal intervals, reinforcing long-term learning. Active recall encourages you to test yourself, which strengthens memory. This combination makes studying more effective and efficient. Additionally, AI flashcard generators often provide customization options. You can refine or adjust the generated cards to better suit your study goals. Some platforms even allow you to print flashcards for offline use, making it convenient to review material anytime and anywhere. In practical terms, AI flashcard generators are great for mastering complex subjects. They help break down difficult topics like languages or formulas and prepare you efficiently for exams. By turning large volumes of study content into manageable, interactive flashcards, these tools help you study smarter and retain knowledge more effectively. So, if you are looking for a way to make your studying more efficient, consider using an AI flashcard generator. It could be the tool you need to enhance your study routine and achieve your academic goals.